Hello dear students, in this video we will solve exercises of lesson 7 pronouns. Exercise A, you have to choose the correct pronoun from the brackets. First number, you and I must return on time. Second, Trisha can lend her car, hers is in good condition. Third, my aunt invited my sister and me to dinner. Fourth, this watch is hers. Fifth, nobody but she can help us in this matter. 6. You, he and I are friends. 7. This book is mine. 8. Do you need a table for 3? 9. Our garden is much bigger than theirs. And 10 number, this house is mine. Exercise B, you have to fill the blanks with demonstrative pronouns. First number, both the toys are nice, but this one is better than that. Second, the streets in Old Delhi are narrower than those of New Delhi. Third, my views are similar to those of the members of the committee. Fourth, the climate of Mumbai is as temperate as that of Goa. Fifth, this is a gift from a friend. Sixth number, this is my bag and that is her suitcase. 7 number, our soldiers are better trained than those of our enemies. And 8 number, you take these and I will take those. Exercise C, here you will fill the blanks with correct interrogative pronouns from the brackets. First number, which of these pens is yours? Second number, what is your plan for the day? Third number, whose is this bag? Fourth number, which of your friends are invited? Fifth number, who has written this article? Sixth number, which of these essays is the best? Seventh number, what do you want to buy? Eighth number, whom did you meet at the fair? 9 number, who has drawn this? And 10 number, whom do you want to speak to? Exercise D, here you have to identify whether the highlighted pronouns are reflexive or emphatic. Okay. First number, she herself told me this. Herself is emphatic pronoun. Okay, because it is written after the subject. Second, I myself believe so. Myself, emphatic pronoun. Third, the writer expresses himself perfectly. It is reflexive pronoun. Himself is reflexive pronoun because it is written after the verb. Okay, when himself, myself is written after the subject, then it is emphatic, and if it is written after the verb, then it is reflexive. Fourth number, she herself is to blame. So here herself is emphatic. Fifth number, the poor lady blamed herself. Herself reflexive. Sixth number, we tasted ourselves rigorously. So ourselves is reflexive. 7 number, the children hurt themselves accidentally. Themselves is reflexive. 8 number, all the pupils enjoyed themselves at the museum. So themselves is reflexive. 9 number, they themselves found a solution to the problem. So themselves here is emphatic. You must complete the work yourself, said my mother. So here yourself is emphatic. Next is exercise E. Here we will fill the blanks with suitable pronouns from the box and state whether they are indefinite or distributive pronoun. Okay. First one, someone just knocked on the door. This someone here is indefinite pronoun. Second number, neither of you is right. Neither is distributive pronoun. Third, nobody is sure as to what happened. Nobody is indefinite. Fourth, each one of us is to be blamed for this disaster. So each is distributive pronoun. Fifth, thankfully everybody got away in time. So everybody is indefinite pronoun. Sixth number, the pupils received 500 rupees each. So each is distributive pronoun. 7 number, Does anybody know about this? Anybody indefinite? One can never be sure about the outcome of such ventures. One indefinite. You can take a few of these sweets. Indefinite. Either of these two roads will lead to my school. Either is distributive pronoun. Next is exercise F. Here we will join the given sentences using the relative pronoun given in the bracket. Okay. First one is already done. Second, I am directly telling you answer. Second answer is the book which you gave me is a very good one. Third, we met the villagers whose houses were damaged in the floods. Here you have to cut there and also full stop. Full stop also we cut. Okay. Then fourth number, the deal which we were discussing yesterday has been finalized. Okay, here you will cut has been finalized first and full stop also. Clear? And it word also you have to cut. Fifth number, I want to taste the cake that you baked yesterday. Sixth number, my uncle who lives in Delhi arrived today. Seventh number, I do not know the man who met with an accident. Eighth number, she did not use the information which I gave her. 9 number, my brother who has gone to America is a scientist. And 10 number, where is the pen which I bought recently? Exercise G, fill the blanks with suitable relative pronouns. First number, he is the surgeon who operated on me. Second, the book which I bought yesterday. Third, do you remember the man who came yesterday? Fourth number, what have you done with the ring that I gave you? Fifth number, the brave soldier who defended our garrison has been injured. Sixth number, I found the keys that I lost. Seventh number, the monkeys that live in our mango tree are very friendly. Eighth number, the bakery that sells good bread is closed today. 9 number, the ceramic pot that I broke was very expensive. 10 number, do you know the lady who stay downstairs? 11 number, this is the student whose picture is displayed on the notice board. And 12 number, the lady whom you met at my house is my aunt. Exercise H. Here we have to identify the incorrect pronoun in the sentences and then we have to correct those incorrect pronouns. Okay. First number, my sister took a picture of her and myself. Here you will cut him and write her. Second number, those is the boy. Here those you will cut and write this. This is the boy I was telling you about. Third number, you will cut your and you will write there yours. Yours is much better than mine. Fourth number, in place of who you will write which. Which of the girls is the tallest? Fifth number, please give it to John or me. Sixth number, Joya looked into the box and found it empty. In place of those you will write it. Seventh number, she finished the task himself. In place of himself you will write herself. She finished the task herself. Number 8, in place of none you will write neither. Neither is coming to dinner as both are unwell. 9 number, neither of us. In place of we you will write us. Neither of us believes a word Harry says. And in 10 number, who should we? In place of us you will write we. Who should we give the prize to? Exercise I, here we have to underline the pronouns and then state their kind. First number, she is watching television. So here she is pronoun and it is personal pronoun. Second number, they are going to watch a film today. They, personal pronoun. Third number, I am studying grammar. I, personal pronoun. Fourth number, do you know the answer? You, personal pronoun. Fifth number, you yourself must find a solution to this problem. You, personal pronoun, and yourself is emphatic pronoun. Sixth number, neither of us can go to the party. Neither is distributive pronoun and us is personal pronoun. Seventh number, God has been kind to me. So me is personal pronoun. Eighth number, the guests enjoyed themselves. So themselves is reflexive pronoun. 9 number, this is the architect who designed my house. This, demonstrative pronoun, and who, relative pronoun. 10 number, I could not open the email which you sent me. Here I, you and me is personal pronoun and which is relative pronoun. 11 number, every now and then someone dropped in. So someone is indefinite pronoun. 12 number, you should not concern yourself with anything other than studies. So here you is personal pronoun, yourself is reflexive, and anything is indefinite pronoun. Like last one is exercise J. Here we have to fill the blanks with the appropriate pronouns from the box. First number, this is the house where I live. Second, I myself will speak to him. Third, this house is ours, that one is theirs. Fourth, which of these cars do you like? Fifth number, each of the passengers was searched. Sixth number, can I do anything for you? Seventh number, somebody stole my pen. And eighth number, many have tried to scale Mount Everest and failed. In this way, you can practice all these exercises. Thank you.